Hey guys, this is Luis Alejandro Lopez with reallifetrading.com, and I wanted to bring you for a little inspection that I'm going to do in this house in Dallas, Georgia, that I'm interested in buying. So just come walk with me. Let's see what we find. This little house is a 3-2 in Dallas, Georgia. This is about an hour west of Atlanta. Seems to be in very decent shape, to be honest with you. I like it. Has a very good, you know, very good appeal, curb appeal. We have, obviously, since it's an old house and people are trying to sell it with problems, we have some damage here on the siding, which honestly is not too bad. This is plastic siding. It will take about $1,000 or so to repair it. Nothing really major. They At some point they painted the house and all the paint is fading. You can see it there. You can see it there. But for the most part, we always paint the houses inside and out, make it look nice, make it look super crispy. Um, this is the back. We have no issues here. We have newer windows. You can tell they're newer windows because they have some kind of a little green tint. That's what people are doing now, so they prevent, UV lights and everything to come inside. So it helps with the cooling or the heating of the house. We have no more problems with the siding. We have the crawl space over there. I'm not gonna go into the crawl space right now. We're gonna see inside. We have a couple little issues, which I'm just gonna budget for them because they're not too bad. And once I bring the contractor, if my numbers and the seller's numbers match, I'll bring the contractor and we'll have a look. But for the most part, the house looks in really, really nice shape. I'm really liking it. Really nice yard in the woods. We have very nice and strong deck here. Like I said, at some point things were painted. Paint is fading, but that's not an issue. We'll just paint everything out, make it crispy. But the whole deck, it's really nice. No damages, no problems, no windows, no problems with siding. If we come here to the side, we're gonna see that we have a broken door, but it's nothing really major. Okay, more windows, no problems with the siding. Beautiful fence. Okay. The other thing that I notice here, let me walk you back, is that we have several patches on the roof. One there, one there. So just by looking at patches, if I have one, I have two patches, what it tells me is that the house is gonna need a full new roof. Okay, I'd rather do the roof myself and sell the house with a newer roof than having to deal with leaks and leaks and leaks and leaks. Okay, and another thing, in some states like Florida, what I'm used to, the life expectancy of this roof will be 20 years. So if the roof is too old, even if it has no problems, you won't be able to get insurance. So you see all those spots there? There were repairs and repairs and repairs and repairs. And just looking at one side, I can imagine how the other side is. So let's budget a new roof. So we have new roof, we have new paint, couple bucks here, and let's go in. Nice. It's living or dining area, whatever you call it. Done kitchen on the side, which is nice. One bathroom, which is kind of done, kind of ugly. Why we do that? Bedroom. Any doors there. We're probably gonna go through this all the switches and everything nice and pretty. Linen closet on one side, second bedroom. And surprisingly, it's probably because it's an old house. We have a brand new electrical panel here, which I like. Okay, strangers in the bedroom, but it's here. Okay, now, a few things. Oops. And another oops. So proof that we need to redo the roof. No question about it. You see the things, see the cracks, the stain. We need to redo this roof, repair the ceiling. If we're gonna repair the ceiling, most likely the popper's gonna go away. That's what I would do. Same thing with a tray. They usually go put all new outlets, put all new switches, so everything looks nice and crispy. Okay, doors is there. We're missing a door here. This will be the laundry room. So we have a laundry room to the bedroom. We can even close it and have access only through the kitchen, or we can leave it open if we want to. That's where your washer and dryer will go. Somebody open the subflooring because we might have an issue here somewhere. Nice. Well, here. And this will be the second bedroom. The third bedroom, sorry. Let's have a look here. Now, another thing that let's have a good look. Because things look great when you are walking quick, but then you start looking at details. Kitchen is done, okay? And they're selling us a pretty much done kitchen. We have a few issues here, and let's see if we can spot them. You see the range, how the range is not even with the kitchen. See the dishwasher, while the dishwasher is not even with the kitchen. See that gap there? The gaps. Look at the backsplash. Is the backsplash even? It's not. It's supposed to be square. We have an issue in this house where the floor, the subflooring, should be right here. You see how the range is tilted backwards? The subflooring is completely wavy and it's damaged here. Okay, so if we even look. Oops. So these people are selling a house with a brand new kitchen, and regrettably, this whole kitchen needs to be wrecked. Okay, two things. First, they install kitchen cabinets on top of the subflooring. You don't do that. You usually put your flooring either the style or laminate or whatever flooring that you want to put, and then on top of that, you do the cabinets. These people put the cabinets or whatever on top of the vinyl floors. So that has to go away. Second thing, then we need to check the subflooring. We need to check the trusses. We need to check basically everything down there because we need to fix or figure out what this whole thing is caving. Once we fix the subflooring, we need to do new flooring here. So flooring is basically plywood, but I don't know how much we need to do. If we have a hole back there and it's rotted, I'm sure everything underneath here is rotted as well. So all this needs to come out. We need to do new floor. We need to put new kitchens. If you see also a few details, the kitchen is not the best quality. Everything needs adjusted. It's probably the cheapest they could find. I'd rather just do something else. It's gonna cost a few thousand, but I can make it look super nice. I will keep the appliances, though the appliances seem to be in good shape. Good cleaning, and in they go. Okay, so what do I need to do? Now I have, for my house that in pictures look great, I have to do full flooring, 2 bathrooms. Let's see, we saw the first one. Let's go with this. Tile is done. Tile is from the 1990s when everything was beige. So need to do flooring. I'll probably keep the top. The top seems to be in good shape, but I will redo the tiling. I will replace that vanity, mirror, lamp, leak there. So we have to fix the leak and get rid of everything with the popcorn. So we need to do a full bathroom. That's good 2 to 3 grand depending on contractor, finishes, etc. We need flooring throughout. We need to fix whatever's the problem with the subflooring. And we have the bathroom. Same situation. They went in straight with the rotting wood. You see it there. And they try to repair, they try to do something with this shower. First, another problem that I see, I need to rip that tile. Do you see the difference in colors? That's because those tiles, even if they're the same brand, the same model, whatever you want to call them, they probably come from different lots. So the print those 2 days was different. How do you prevent that? Because I mean, you're gonna go to the store and you're gonna buy 2, 3 boxes. Open them all up and check before you install them. Second thing that I'm not sure if it's up to code and it can be fixed, that shower head is too low there. So that needs to be up, I will say another 3/4 foot or something. And I'm not sure about that valve. So I will rip all this, put new valve, put new shower. We need to fix this, whatever this is. This is a wiring for the lamp, or probably it's not extractor, that's a lamp. I have another lamp here. I'm going to do a little high hat there. Have nice light in the shower. I will replace the vanity. You need to install the toilet, put a new wax ring, the whole shebang. Once you have the floor put in, once you are repairing the subflooring. Again, another 3 grand in this bedroom. So just by looking at it, we're gonna have around 9 in roof, 3 in bedroom is 12, 3 in the other bedroom is 15. I will say another 10, just saying in the kitchen. Let's make a nice kitchen. That's 25. Whatever that subflooring work is, I'm not sure that's gonna be. Let's make it 5 just in case, because we probably have to rip a whole bunch of this plywood. Now we are at 20. What else? Another roof, another 9 or 10. We are at 30. Plus whatever stuff I haven't seen, plus another 1,000, let's say, fix up everything outside, plus paint inside and out, another, so we're at 20, 21, another 6 and 7, including materials. That's 27, plus painting the deck or just doing the whole work in the deck. This looks really pretty. So all in, we're gonna be probably around 30. I am not sure if the air conditioning is working. I did not see the unit. It's probably in the crawl space. The outside unit, it's on the side. Most likely, I'm gonna budget for servicing the AC. I'm not gonna put a new replacement unit. And we'll go from there. Remember, if anything that I replace, I can sell the house with a new unit. Doesn't look bad, doesn't look good, it's very whatever. Uh, for now, we'll just service it. Clean the coils, clean the filters, freshen up the freon, the gas, and go from there. Painting outside, painting that fence. That's a really nice fence. I really like the house a lot. Hey, let's see. Cross your fingers. Maybe the numbers will work. So with this, I think we have everything set. I'm gonna sit down, prepare a budget. Once I prepare a budget, I'll send them an offer. They're asking 165,000, comes around 225 to 230. We will see. All right. So I hope that this was useful. And if you got any questions, remember you can always find us All right, guys. I hope this was a good glimpse of what we usually look for when we're looking to work in a house. If we're not sure, we usually budget for the things and then figure it out later. Everything can be solved, but everything has a cost in time and money. So make sure that you budget for that time and that money when you work in your projects. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We are reallifetraining.com/RE. If you want to reach us by email, we are real estate at reallifetraining.com. You can always find us in Slack. You can find us here on YouTube. Just like, subscribe it. We're trying to bring you us more videos, walkthroughs, and as much information as we can provide. So thank you for watching and bye.